Hey everyone. Today, let's talk about something that might not be on your radar but is crucial for any building's efficient side KONE 656 PC board. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about a PC board in my elevator? Well, let me tell you.
This isn't just any circuit board. Designed by KONE, a leader in elevator technology, it promises reliability and top-notch performance. But here's the kicker: how often do we think about upgrading our elevator systems? Are we really aware of the latest trends in elevator technology? With smart buildings on the rise, should we be integrating AI into our elevators? What do you think? Are we ready to embrace the future, or is it just another tech fad? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're looking to enhance your elevator functionality, the KONE 656 PC board might just be what you need. Stay tuned for more insights. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe. Visit www.remedimations.com